Hi, you're welcome to my math friend, your favorite math educational channel. In this lesson, we shall be looking at the second part of multiplying sets. Good. There are rules that guide us. So these examples over here will help us to better understand these rules. The first example, we have two brackets multiplying themselves. Okay, so each term in the first bracket multiplies the second bracket. So we have 4 here coming out to multiply everything here. Then minus 3 root 6 coming out times 3 minus 4 root 6. You see that? Good. Now we expand from this stage. 4, 3, 12. 4 times minus 4 minus 16 root 6. Minus 3 root 6 comes to multiply 3. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 root 6. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Positive 12. Root 6 times root 6. Okay. If this times root 6 is 6. Why? The second rule says that root A times root A is A. So root 6 times root 6, same number in the sets, is a 6. So plus 12 times 6. You get it? Good. Now we group like terms from this very stage. Good. So we have 12 whole numbers separately plus 12 6 is 72. Good. Then sets 2 separately. Minus 16 root 6 minus 9 root 6. 12 plus 72 is what? Is 84. Okay, then minus 16 minus 9. You see, we are subtracting here because these are like sets. There's a video I've done on addition and subtraction of like sets. You can go and watch that video. Good. So 6, 6, 6, root 6, root 6, they are like sets. So that's why we can subtract the numbers outside. Minus 60 minus 9 is minus 25. Then you pick one of them with 6. You don't multiply them because we are subtracting. So you just pick one of the roots since they are the same as this. Now we leave it like this as the answer. Why? You see, these are not like sets. There's root 6 here, there's no root 6 here. So we cannot subtract. Good. I trust you understand very well. Now let us go to the second example. In this example, the square affects the 2. So we have square root of 4 square is 4 times 4, giving you what? 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Simple. Well, good. Now let's look at the third example. So root 3 being outside is multiplying everything in the brackets. So root 3 times 2 is what? You bring the whole number first. 2 root 3. Root 3 times minus root 3. So you have negative, positive times negative is negative. Root 3 times root 3. We have 2 root 3. Now here, then from the second rule of property, we have root A times root A is A. In the same way, root 3 times the same root 3 is 3. Negative times positive is negative, so negative 3. We leave our answer like this. Just like the previous example, like I said, when you are subtracting sets that are unlike, you leave it like this. There is no root 3 over here, so we cannot subtract. Let's look at the fourth and the last example. Good. Good. Now, root 18, when we're looking at the first part of multiplying sets, we said that with this one, it applies to the first rule, okay? So we find two factors of 18, where one of the factors is a perfect square. Good. we choose 9 times 2 because 9 is a perfect square. So inside we have 9 times 2. Then over here, this is root 5 all squared. This one applies to the second rule. Okay, so here we have the square applies to root 5. We have root 5 times another root 5, just like this. You see that? Good. So from here, you see that you expand it like that. Okay, so this is like root 9 times root 2. You separate them. Good. Then times root 5 times the same root 5 is what? Is 5. Just like the root says root a times root a is a. And root 9 over here is what? 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3. Then let's group like times 5. Okay. Root 2. 2 is not a perfect square and it is simplified. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 root 2. And this is simplified. Very simple. You see that? Good. This is my math friend. Our lessons are always simple. Helps you to understand and always go over and over and over so many times. Good. And you can understand it. I want you to subscribe. Okay. If you've not, once again, share to your friends. If you're a student, share to your fellow students, parents, to your child, your daughter, your son, your friend. Share so that you promote and support this channel. Bye.